Sovos IPO seeks to raise up to $429.3 million. Sovos officially announced its planned initial public offering, which could raise $429.3 million, in a new filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The company plans to sell up to 23,334,000 shares of common stock on the open market and give its underwriters the option to buy 3,500,100 of common stock in the first 30 days of trading. Stock will likely be priced between $14 and $16 a share, and will be traded under stock symbol SOVO. Sovos Brands has filed for an initial public offering that could raise $100 million. The Colorado-based company, founded in 2017, owns Rao's homemade pasta sauces, Noosa yogurt, Michelangelo's frozen offerings and Birch Bender's pancake mixes. The number of shares and price range have not been determined, Sovos Brands said in an email. The company has seen strong growth since its inception, with net sales increasing at a compound annual growth rate of 66% from 2018 to 2020, according to its filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Net sales for the 26 weeks ending June 26 were $351.2 million, an increase of 34% compared with the same time period in 2020. The IPO market for food and beverage companies has been relatively busy this year, with soda maker Zevia, oat milk titan Oatly, cell-based meat maker MeatTech 3D and produce giant Dole all having traditional IPOs. Several companies are rumored to be working toward IPOs, including yogurt maker Chobani, which confidentially filed with the SEC last month. According to the prospectus at the beginning of its filing, Sovos Brands says it is the fastest-growing food company of scale in the United States. A $100 million IPO could certainly do a lot to further speed that growth. Sovos Brands got its start when former Mars, Del Monte and Heinz executive Todd Lockman noticed the way disruptive one-of-a-kind brands in the food space were routinely taking away market share of much larger legacy brands. The company, which takes its name from the Latin word for one-of-a-kind, started out by acquiring two high-end Italian food brands, Rao's Specialty Foods and Michelangelo's Gourmet Foods in 2017. In the past 4 years, the number of portfolio brands has grown much more slowly. Noosa became a part of Sovos in 2018 and Birch Bender's was acquired last year, but sales have not. Sovos seems to have been successful at finding and buying 4 disruptors with great potential. Rao's, which has expanded under Sovos ownership from sauces into dry pasta, frozen entrees and soups, was the number 3 pasta and pizza sauce brand by dollar sales in the 26 weeks ending June 13, according to statistics in the filing. The brand currently represents 55% of Sovos product sales, and the past 5 years have seen household penetration of the sauce skyrocket from 1.3% in 2016 to 9.6% in the 52 weeks ending June 13. Statistics presented in the file also indicate that Noosa and Birch Bender's are among the fastest-growing brands in yogurts and pancake and waffle mixes, respectively.